Do you send outbound referrals to other agents that work outside of your area or are in a different price point and want a better way to track those referrals? I have a few solutions for you. Solution number 1 is a smart list, and solution number 2 are deal stages plus smart list. So for solution number 1, you will go to the people screen and follow a boss to create a smart list. But before you do so, you need to make sure you have stages in place. And in order to create stages, you can only do this through the owner account. The way it works is when you log into Follow Boss, you'll click the admin and then you'll click more and then click on stages. From there in the upper right hand corner, you'll click to add a stage and you'll add 2. The first one is the referral agent stage and the second is for referred out stage. That way you can differentiate between here are the agents we referred to and here's the client that we referred to that agent. Then what you'll do is you'll navigate to the people screen. From there, on the far right side, you'll add filters. If you don't see the filter box, you'll click the filter button in the far right upper section of the Smart List section to pull up the ability to add filters. The filters you'll add are the stages. You can either select to create 2 separate Smart Lists, one for the agent and one for the client, or you can combine both into one Smart List and you can follow up with both the agent and client in one Smart List. So what you would do is you'll add a filter for stage, include, and then you'll select to include referral agent and referred out stage. From there, you can then specify how often you want to follow up with the agent and client. Normally people will do once a week or once every other week. So last communication would be the filter added, select more than, and then select the amount of days you want to wait. Then, in order to ensure you're following up with people in a timely manner and you're not calling the same people over and over again, you want to sort the Smart List by last communication. If you don't see the last communication column in your Smart List view, click the columns button and then scroll down on the drop-down menu and select to show last communication. Then once you have that column, you'll click the last communication name in the column and then select to sort by old to new. And then you'll select to create a new Smart List and name it something as follow up with referrals or referred out follow up, and then click save. And then from there, you'll be able to view people every X amount of days that you select, so that if you call someone today or text them or email them, they disappear for that certain number of time and then come up again. And that keeps happening over and over again as your calling list until the stage is changed to something else. But let's say you want to get a little more detailed. You want to track exactly where the agent is in the process of working with them, whether they're attempting reach out, they've connected, they've scheduled an appointment, they're assigned to client, they're showing homes, or they have their home listed, or they are pending, or they are closed. Then you want to use the deal stages. The reason for using the deal stages is they help keep your main stages in Follow Boss clean, but you can get more granular in the deal stages. So in Follow Boss, you'll click deals at the top, and then where you see your categories, you'll click the gear icon to create a new pipeline, and you'll click add pipeline, and let's call it outbound referrals. Then from there, you can add on any stages you want to track, so you know exactly where someone is in the process of working with that agent. So you can use any amount of stages as you like, including the ones I just mentioned. Then if you want to track those people via Smart List, what you'll do is when you add a deal in one of your stages, you'll add both the client and the agent in that deal. And then you'll go back over to Smart Lists if you want to follow up via Smart List with those people. So instead of using the regular stages, you would use, for example, appointment set stage. And then you'll say deal stage equals appointment set in the referred out category or outbound referral category. And then last communication is more than 7 days ago, 14 days ago. And then you'll save that list such as outbound referral appointment set. And then because you included both the client and the agent in the deal, both the client and the agent will show up on your Smart List, so you can follow up with both of them and make sure the agent is doing their job and reach out to the client and make sure that they're a good fit and they like the agent. And that way you can track the whole process from referred out to closed so you can ensure that you get paid. If you found this video helpful, please comment below if you'd like to learn other things, whether it's about outbound referrals or if you need help tracking inbound referrals and tracking who your top refer people are, whether it's top past clients who refer you business. I'm happy to create a separate video for that. Or if you have any other questions in general about Follow Up Boss, comment below and happy to record one.